know they're being modded. Look at that. Former Dover.
Floor 26.
Wonder if I can find some old car stations up here. Let's go down to 14. Let me get this one again.
Doors open. Floor 14.
I think that one's inactive. That's the one they're redoing. This is the old Dover label, and these are the new ones. Let's see if we can get a different car. Let's wait for that one to go. Let's see if we can get a different one. L.
Car L.
That one didn't sound so good.
Floor 26.
The low-rise ones. That's the last of them that they're modernizing. All new equipment. Still got original Dover blue. These are the low-rise ones. We just finished high-rise. Here's the view out the low-rise side.
Car D. Doors open.
doubt this is the original floor track, but hold on. If you guys want a little fun fact, you know those impulse ones that we rode, the traction ones? Those are now gone too. They have been modernized by Otis, I think. But these are Schindler. Okay, let's go up to 14. Oops, door open, that was my bad. Schindler port, you guys did amazing. Upgraded the interior and everything. Going up?
Yeah.
Three.
There you are. Look at all that. That's all the equipment they got there, setting up for modernization. I would love to get a car panel or something, but I think they already got rid of those.
Number 14.
And now we're going back down, and we're gonna end. Okay. Look at the hoistway access, it's still original. You're not leaving without me. Like seriously, nothing is original about these elevators anymore. They're gutted, they're gone. I will say, they replaced all of the equipment in the shaft. It runs so much better than what it used to do. Schindler, if you just so happen to be watching this for some reason, you did a fantastic job modernizing these with Dispatch because they were so horrible. Look at this. This one still has its original Dover brass.